Hello everyone, and welcome. My name is Eliza, and I'll be your host today. I'm delighted to have a very special guest with us, Abhishek Agarwal, co-founder of DesignNBuy. In this session, I'll be talking with Abhishek about the exciting new release of DesignO 2.4, recently launched by the DesignNBuy team. We'll explore what's new, why it's important, and how it's going to help businesses simplify and enhance their design workflows. So, let's get started and dive into the conversation with Abhishek. What's the story behind DesignO 2.4? What inspired this release?
As we are on the journey to improve our platform, we talk a lot with our customers. We take their feedbacks, we talk about their challenges, and we try to solve their challenges by our platform. So DesignO 2.4 is designed by the customers and for the customer.
Can you walk us through the big updates in DesignO 2.4?
In DesignO 2.4, we have implemented caching mechanism to improve the performance of the platform. We have also introduced webhook mechanism to send data to any third-party software from DesignO. We have also filled all the gaps for photo book industry, display product industry, and packaging industry. Now our software is fully equipped for all these industries.
Interesting. Let's dive into the new features for the book industry.
While we were implementing photo book storefront for one of our customers, we realized that there are a lot of important features are missing in our solution. Then we thought to fill the gap and make a complete solution for book industry. We have implemented dynamic spine calculation and its impact in 3D preview. We also implemented soft cover and hard cover and its impact in the 3D preview. If client has selected soft cover, then the cover would be soft and you can see that in the 3D preview. If they have selected hard cover, then the 3D preview will be different. We have also implemented pricing logic based on number of pages. We also implemented lay flat binding. If end customer selected lay flat binding, then the 3D preview would be according to lay flat binding. If they have selected hard binding, then the 3D preview would be different. So now we have the 3D preview which is most advanced in the industry. It's 360-degree 3D preview we are providing. Nobody in the industry can meet this requirement.
And for display products like booths, flags, and signs, what improvements have you made?
These days we are getting lots of inquiries from display printing industry. End customer of display printers need a very powerful visualization tool before they submit the order. They want to see how their product will be look like after printing. So we have implemented a very powerful preview for display products such as flag, signs, standee, backdrop, booth. Even in booth we support 1 wall booth, 2 wall booth or 3 wall booth. So I would say now DesignO 2.4 is fully equipped for display printing industry.
Why did you add webhooks in DesignO 2.4?
Printers used to ask for various integrations with the DesignO, and we had to do all these integrations manually and had to update our core product, and it was making a lot of trouble while upgrading the DesignO new version. So we thought to implement webhook system. With that, DesignO can send the data to any third party on any specific event. So with webhook, now printers can define where they want to send the data on a specific event. So it is very easy now to integrate any third-party system with DesignO.
Can you explain the need for 3D preview on the product detail page?
There were lots of requests from packaging printers that they need 3D preview on product detail page because their customers are B2B customers and they have their own team of graphics designers. What they want is a dynamic die line generation, and once the die line is generated, they can download it from the product detail page and design it locally. By uploading a designed die line, They just want a 3D preview on the product detail page rather than going on full editor and then seeing the 3D preview. So 3D preview on product detail page has improved the experience of their end customer, and for the packaging printers it has improved the conversion rate. I will conclude this video by requesting book printers, packaging printers and display product printers to take a personalized demo with one of our experts. You will find all these new features relevant to the unique needs of your industry. Thank you very much and have a nice day ahead.
Thank you, Abhishek, for sharing insights on DesignO 2.4. And to our viewers, don't miss booking your personalized demo today.